Google AI has released a new language model called Bard. Bard is a large language model, also known as a conversational AI or chatbot trained to be informative and comprehensive. It is trained on a massive amount of text data, and it is able to communicate and generate human-like text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. For example, it can provide summaries of factual topics or create stories. Bard was released on March 21, 2023, in a limited capacity, allowing users in the US and UK to join a waitlist. On May 10, 2023, Google removed the waitlist and made Bard available in over 180 countries and territories. Bard is still under development, but it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks, including writing different kinds of creative content, such as poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. Translating languages. Answering your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Bard is powered by Google's Pathways system, which is a new architecture for large language models that allows them to learn more efficiently and effectively. Pathways uses a distributed training approach that allows Bard to be trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This allows Bard to learn a much wider range of knowledge than previous language models, which were trained on smaller datasets. Bard is a significant development in the field of artificial intelligence. It is the first language model that can perform many kinds of tasks in a human-like way. Bard has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. It can be used to create new kinds of software applications, such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and educational tools. It can also be used to improve the way we work, learn, and communicate. Bard is still under development, but it has the potential to change the world. It is a powerful new tool that can be used to improve our lives in many ways. Here are some of the things you can do with Bard. Ask questions and get answers. Bard can answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. Translate languages. Bard can translate between over 100 languages. Write different kinds of creative content. Bard can write poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, and more. Collaborate with others. Bard can be used to collaborate with others on projects. It can generate ideas, write content, and answer questions. Learn new things. Bard can be used to learn new things. It can provide summaries of factual topics or create interactive learning experiences. Be more productive. Bard can help you be more productive at work. It can automate tasks, generate reports, and provide insights that can help you make better decisions. Be more creative. Bard can help you be more creative. It can generate new ideas, write different kinds of creative content, and help you solve problems in new ways. Bard is a powerful new tool that can be used to improve your life in many ways. It is still under development, but it has already learned to perform many kinds of tasks that can benefit you. We can expect to see even more exciting developments in the years to come. Can Bard give me updates? Yes, Bard can give you updates on a variety of topics. Here are a few examples. News. Bard can provide you with summaries of recent news stories from a variety of sources. Weather. Bard can provide you with current and forecast weather conditions for your location. Sports. Bard can provide you with scores, stats, and schedules for your favorite sports teams. Stocks. Bard can provide you with real-time stock prices and market data. Traffic. Bard can provide you with traffic conditions and estimated travel times for your commute. Bard can also provide you with updates on a variety of other topics, such as entertainment, health, and technology. Just let Bard know what you're interested in, and Bard will do its best to provide you with the latest information. That's amazing. Bard is a really powerful tool. What is the future of Bard? The future of Bard is very promising. It has the potential to be a powerful tool for many different industries and applications. Here are a few of the ways that Bard could be used in the future. Marketing. Bard could be used to generate creative content for marketing campaigns, such as blog posts, social media posts, and ad copy. It could also be used to analyze customer data and identify trends, which could help businesses improve their marketing strategies. Software development. Bard could be used to generate code, test code, and debug code. This could help software developers save time and improve the quality of their work. Customer service. Bard could be used to provide customer service by answering questions, resolving issues, and providing support. This could help businesses improve their customer satisfaction and loyalty. Education. Bard could be used to create personalized learning experiences for students. It could also be used to help students with their homework and answer their questions. Research. Bard could be used to help researchers find and analyze data. It could also be used to generate hypotheses and ideas for new research projects. These are just a few of the ways that Bard could be used in the future. As Bard continues to develop, it is likely that we will see even more innovative and creative uses for this powerful tool. Here are some additional thoughts on the future of Bard. Bard will become more accurate and reliable over time. As Bard is trained on more data, it will become better at understanding and responding to user queries. Bard will become more creative and engaging. Bard will be able to generate more creative and engaging content, such as poems, stories, and scripts. Bard will become more personalized. Bard will be able to learn about individual users and tailor its responses accordingly. Bard will become more accessible. Bard will be available on more devices and platforms. Overall, the future of Bard is very bright. It has the potential to revolutionize many industries and make our lives easier and more enjoyable.